Earlier that morning, as UDUAK prepared to leave for university, after making her final preparations, like every mother sending her child away for the first time, Mama UDUAK couldn't help herself. She had to check everything. After all, this was the first time her daughter would be leaving home to begin a new chapter of her life. When Mama was finally satisfied that nothing important had been forgotten, she looked at UDUAK and reminded her of the real reason she was going to university: to study, to build a future for herself, and most importantly, not to get so carried away with friends and the excitement of university life that she forgot why she was there in the first place. UDUAK tried to brush it off. After all, she was 21, she wasn't a little girl anymore. But Mama knew something UDUAK was only beginning to understand. Being an adult didn't mean you suddenly knew everything. It meant learning how to make the right decisions even when nobody was watching. Mama reminded her to be careful about the people she trusted. She told her not to allow anyone to deceive her or take advantage of her. UDUAK, of course, reminded her mother that she was no longer a small girl. Then came the final instruction. She told UDUAK to call as soon as she arrived. UDUAK promised that she would, and just like that, the moment they had both been preparing for had finally arrived. UDUAK was leaving home. She was excited about university. She was ready for the freedom, the new experiences, the friendships, the challenges, and everything else waiting for her. But somewhere deep inside, she knew that Mama's words would stay with her. Because sometimes, the things our parents repeat over and over are the very things we only understand after we leave home. And finally, the moment had come. With one last hug and Mama's words still fresh in her mind, UDUAK stepped out of the house and began her journey into a new chapter of her life. She turned back one more time, waved goodbye, and smiled. She was leaving home as Mama's daughter, but walking toward the woman she was about to become. And there it was. Royal Crest University. The place UDUAK had imagined for months was finally right in front of her. She stood at the entrance with her luggage, taking it all in. This was it. Her university life had officially begun. She had no idea what the next few years would bring, but one thing was certain: UDUAK was ready to find out. After wandering around for a while, UDUAK finally stopped someone and asked for directions. The student confidently pointed her in one direction and gave her what sounded like very clear instructions. Except, somehow, the instructions only made things worse. UDUAK tried to make sense of it. So I should go left? No, right. But you just said left. Yes, left from there. UDUAK stared at the student for a moment. Oh God. Maybe university was going to be a little more complicated than she expected. After struggling with her heavy bags, UDUAK finally met Ini, a friendly fellow 100-level student. Ini offered to help and jokingly wondered what UDUAK had packed in her bag. Their laughter quickly broke the ice, and they discovered they were both new students. UDUAK studied mass communication, while Ini was in business administration. What started as a simple request for help soon became the beginning of a new friendship.
The hostel is just past the main science building, right around that corner up ahead.
I'm UDUAK. I'm Ini. Thank you. I really appreciate your help. Rule number 1, never leave your phone charger carelessly. Rule 2, always label your items. Rule 3, always lock your cupboard.
After her first day at school, UDUAK settles into her hostel room and calls her mother. They talk about how her day went, and her mother checks if she has eaten. UDUAK admits she has been busy exploring and gives a simple answer about her meal, making them both laugh. After saying goodnight, UDUAK looks around her unfamiliar room, feeling a little homesick but also excited about her new journey. UDUAK and Ini walked together along the busy campus path, chatting comfortably as they continued getting to know each other. UDUAK was beginning to feel less like a stranger in this new environment. Then, a stylish young woman approached them. Her confident walk and flamboyant outfit immediately caught UDUAK's attention. Ifialua, excuse me please. Do you guys know where the student center is? Ini answered, and what started as a simple question quickly turned into a lively conversation. Ifialua introduced herself, and the three girls began chatting and laughing as though they had known each other for much longer. UDUAK couldn't help but admire Ifialua. Before long, the three girls were laughing and exchanging stories. What began with a simple question had unexpectedly created a new friendship. UDUAK, Ini, and Ifialua, three girls who had met by chance, now beginning a friendship that would make university life a lot more interesting.
Hi girls, what's going on?
Hey, Ifeoluwa. Hi, we're good. Ifeoluwa, I love your hair. You like it? It's 400 grams super double drawn from Vietnam. It's premium with customized frontal.
I love it. Where did you get it? The guy I went out with yesterday bought it for me. Really? Whoa.
A few days later, it was another bright afternoon on campus, and the three girls had settled comfortably into their growing friendship. UDUAK suddenly noticed Ifialua's watch, admiring it. Ifialua smiled mischievously. A guy bought it for me. UDUAK's eyes widened immediately.
UDUAK, what time is Maths 101?
It's by 12:30 p.m. Wait, Ifialua, your watch is so fine.
Oh, this?
Yes, it's really nice.
The guy I went out with bought it for me.
The same guy?
No, this one is another guy.
Another guy?
UDUAK, please, leave her. She's just curious.
I'm not curious.
You're definitely curious.
UDUAK and Ifialua spend a relaxed afternoon together on the school premises. As they sit and chat, UDUAK notices Ifialua's stylish shoes and begins admiring them. Ifialua casually reveals that the guy she had gone out with bought them for her.
Those shoes.
Fine, Abby.
Very fine.
The guy I went out with bought them.
Which guy?
You have different guys for everything. UDUAK, please.
So, nothing happens?
Nothing.
You don't give them anything?
Give them what? Please. I'm beautiful. That's enough.
So you've never?
Never. They're the ones chasing me. I don't give them sex. Men will spend money on what they really want. I don't give them sex. Men will spend money on what they really want.
I couldn't stop thinking about what Ife said. Maybe that's just how university works. Maybe I'm the one doing something wrong. Maybe beautiful girls really do get everything they want.